morning, welcome to the vlog. Today I thought it would be fun to do a New Year's reset day. Cleaning, organizing, especially the makeup room needs a lot of attention. I felt like today would be a fun day to do this because we are snowed in. We're getting a huge snowstorm today. I think we're supposed to be getting 19 inches of snow. We've already gotten like 6 inches so far, so it is piling up out there. It looks beautiful. The cats are excited too. They seem to enjoy when it's snowing. I lost a nail. It's okay, I'll glue it back on. So lately our hyperfixation breakfast has been chia pudding. Normally we do pears, because pears are so good if you didn't know. But the grocery store was completely out because everyone bought them because of the snow. So we had to go with apples. They're not as good as pears.
Hey Heidi, what's up?
I just wanted to see.
B is jealous.
You want to see V? Yeah.
Please, wait, show me, show me.
Ooh. Wow.
So here it is. Looks very appetizing, doesn't it? It's super easy to make, and we really prefer this over overnight oats. I don't know, something about oatmeal, just I don't find it very, like, satisfying. Then we add a couple scoops of Greek yogurt for protein. Bow and apple teeth. I've also been really into these lately, the Nescafe espresso concentrate. It's like super concentrated. So you only need 1 to 2 tablespoons. I just eyeball it. And then the rest is water. We're also really into these cold foams from Aldi. This right here is better than Dunkin'.
I'd agree. Especially once they took away their dark roast iced coffee. Not their dark roast cold brew. They had iced coffee and cold brew. The dark roast iced coffee was better than the cold brew, and then they took it away and said, we're just doing cold brew now. And so I quit going.
Okay, I'm putting on a little makeup in the kitchen today because my vanity is a mess, and you'll see it in a few minutes. And I just want to do a quick no makeup look since I'm really just cleaning today. Today I want to challenge myself to a 5-minute face with this kit I've been using from Trestique, who is actually the sponsor of today's video. Trestique makes these all-in-one travel-friendly makeup kits that are made up of these totally refillable makeup products that are perfect if you are on the go, a frequent traveler, or just trying to embrace a more minimal makeup collection. Their cream gel formulas come in such beautiful shade ranges, and I love their quiz that you take. Who else loves a quiz? I am such a sucker for a little online quiz where you put in all of your preferences, things about your skin tone, and they will match you with your best shade to build a full face makeup routine. The best part about these is that you don't need any brushes because they all come with built-in applicators. Also, this bag is so cool, so you can unsnap this part, pop it down here, set this down, and you have a mirror. So let's see if I can actually apply a full face in under 5 minutes. I am not going to do any eye makeup today actually because my eyes have just been really dry lately and I just want to give them a break from makeup. The timer is starting now. Okay, first things first is the foundation stick. Okay, I can't talk too much while I'm doing this because I will get distracted. But I really just like to dot this around. I don't even necessarily wear it all over my face, but just kind of where I want a little coverage, and then I use the built-in sponge on the other end. I actually like this method of application best. I've also tried applying it with my fingers or a damp sponge, and I honestly just feel like the dry sponge built in does the best job blending it out, which is perfect because that just makes it easy. Oh my god, we're already a minute in. So then concealer. And then I'll also just take this anywhere I want to brighten, because this is kind of a brightening shade. And I'm actually going to use the bigger sponge to blend out most of this. There's also a little sponge on the other end of the concealer that I like for like getting around my nose. Then blush. I will put all the shade names on the screen just for the sake of time, but I love this blush formula. I would say this is my favorite of the entire lineup, and it comes with a brush on the other end, which is so handy to have. And it works really well. Like, I would own this brush, like, just as a standalone brush, too. Just the right level of pigment. Just gonna do a tiny bit of brow pencil. Alright, so I have over a minute. Okay, we're making good time. So you have a brow pencil on one end, and a brow gel on the other. Okay, almost done. Then on the lips, I'm using the lip crayon in Shell Beach Sheer, and check this out, it has a primer, a lip primer on one end, and a lip crayon on the other, and this shade is so cute. It's like a baby pink. And we are almost at time. Okay, wow, I did it. And there is my no makeup makeup look. I honestly love it. Like, I feel like it turned out so well, especially considering how much I was rushing. This makeup is very light coverage, breathable. The Essential 8 kit is such a great way to try out Trestique. I like that the products it chose for me were a little bit different from the colors I normally pick for myself, but I love them. Like, this really cool pink blush is actually so pretty and just brightening to my face. So click the link below to take the quiz and build your Trestique routine, and thank you so much to Trestique for sponsoring today's video. You see Nathan down there unburying the car. B is supervising. There is so much snow. How much have we gotten so far? It's definitely slowing down. Like, this morning it was pouring down snow, but it's gotten a little bit lighter. Yeah, it's looking like we're getting 22 inches, almost 2 feet of snow. So you see now why I didn't want to get ready at my vanity, because it looks like this. This room's kind of a mess. This corner I'm probably not gonna really tackle today. It's mostly just like pictures and stuff we haven't hung yet, and I don't really know what else. Isn't this rug so cute? We got this at Aldi. I'm hoping this will help with my audio, just help dampen the echo a little bit. Also, it just looks really pretty, especially with the dresser. I don't know, I'm mostly gonna just try and tidy up this area. First things first though, I need to wash my brushes.
Obviously want to use up our makeup, and then maybe I'll decide I just want to check in like every couple of months.
Recently bought some of these alcohol prep pads. I want to use these to clean my brush handles. Those need to be washed as well. Ooh, it's so tiny. These Real Techniques brush handles get so gross. This is a big reason why I stopped buying Real Techniques. Oh my god. Ew. That actually was really dirty. Just in the span of like 5 minutes, I found 2 things I've been looking for a long time. An extension cord and this mount for my ring light. I'm decanting this Tower 28 pressed powder because I tried to repress it and it totally just did not work and it just won't stay together. So I'm gonna make it a loose powder now that I have this empty container. So I need to just clean this out. I love keeping a spray bottle of isopropyl alcohol. I always have 70%. Any higher than that is too high to sanitize certain things. You see how this is so crumbled? So I'm also gonna use the end of this brush. Yeah, this is working really well. Wow, that is stuffed full with powder. So I cannot wait to use and enjoy this powder again. It's really such a good powder. I've also been wanting to cut these socks into cleansing cuffs. This is what I do with old socks that are kind of like, especially with these really fuzzy socks, a lot of times they just get too loose for my feet after a while. So I will just cut the toe. If you have a sewing machine or you just like to sew, you could also like actually sew a new hem. It has to be this kind of sock. It has to be kind of like a fleecy, fuzzy material. Something that'll catch and absorb liquids. I always like to declutter my brushes after I wash them because that's when I can just easily look at all of them and see the ones that I don't use very much. I pulled out 3 brushes to declutter. One is this Real Techniques brush because I just can't stand the sticky handle anymore. And I'm also gonna pass on these 2 Singe Beauty brushes. I did keep 1 Singe brush. It's just that I had other brushes in these shapes. I will say I don't like the Singe brushes as much as my BK Beauty brushes or even my Sigma brushes. I do find those just a little bit softer. These have a slightly stiff feel to the bristles. I feel like we haven't ended up using the desks in the way that I had planned. Like I'm almost thinking maybe we didn't need both of these IKEA desks because we also have a standing desk out in the living room. But Nathan wants to start a YouTube channel, and so I'm thinking when he does that, maybe he can use this one for filming his videos. Hopefully this desk wasn't a total waste, but who knows, maybe one day we'll sell this desk and make room for something else in here. I feel like a couch will be really nice in here. I really need a solution for hat storage because I just don't have anywhere to store my hats. feeling so refreshed after this cleaning day, but I'm getting so hungry, so I need to go make dinner. I think we're gonna have mac and cheese for dinner, which sounds so good. But yeah, the snow keeps falling, so if you are also getting snow where you live, let me know in the comments how many inches did you get. And I hope everybody's staying warm. Thank you again to Trestique for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out their website. It's linked down below, and I will talk to you guys very soon in my next video.